This is the place to be. Hey, come on in. If you want to dance, let's shake it out.
Hey friends, welcome back to Quiz Slice. Today's challenge, guess the real zombies 4 characters. Ready to prove you're a true Z4 expert? All right, let's jump right in. Who's the real Zed? It's B. That's the real Zed with his iconic hair color.
Be the best, tried to be a star. Thought I'd reach a top, but I'm a little far. Seabrook's football.
All right, which is the real Victor? Yep, it's C. You spotted him like a pro. Well done.
In my head. And we're from 2 worlds apart, but still.
Time to Would You Rather. You'd rather team up with Zed, the OG zombie hero, or Victor, the new vampire on the block?
See the real when lies and the lives are changing. Cause it's in the...
Your smile shines even brighter than I've seen it in my head.
Like if you're rolling with Zed, hit subscribe if Victor's your vibe. And hey, don't forget to drop a comment telling us why you picked your side. All right, who's the real Addison? Yep, it's A. You spotted her sparkle right away.
Not quite what I expected. My A-game's got to get reinvented. I'll come back.
Can you catch the real Willa? That's B. You got the real werewolf queen. Awesome pick.
Everything I expected. Climb to the top with the best of the best.
Which one's the real Eliza? It's B. Her tech core look gave her away. Well done.
I'm about to show you.
What you gonna show me?
Guess nobody told you.
You ain't gotta tell me.
Who's the real Nova here? It's A. Those Nightshade vibes, unmistakable.
And we're from 2 worlds apart, but still there's a common thread.
New challenge for you? Could you complete the lyrics?
Try us today, I'm gonna blow on my way. Yeah, Dad says I can't go wrong. No.
Woohoo, you're totally in sync with the lyrics.
I'm fired up. Try us today, I'm gonna blow on my way.
All right, find the real Ray. Yep, that's it. You crushed it.
Status, those sneaky vamps are gonna learn, try to come at us.
Guess who's the actual Vera? That's B. You nailed it. She's all about cheer and charm.
When those simple shiny brutes puff their chests and pretend they're smart.
They're not.
Which one's the real A-Spin? It's C. Woohoo!
So much brighter, now I'm sharing them with you. I can just be me.
Spot the real Zoe if you can. Yep, it's A. Adorable and fierce. Great catch.
Yeah, I don't know what you're up to, big brother, but I got your back.
Guess the real Nova again. Woohoo! Look at her skirt. You're on fire.
Show the world it's who you are and what you give.
Memory game. Where's Nova? You made it! She's right here. Pick the right logo. Boom! Nailed it! That's the real Mighty Shrimp. All right, who's the actual winter? That chill look, totally her.
And stay wolf strong for another 100 years. Yeah. Okay.
Find the real Bonzo among these. It's A. Great job.
Come on, Eliza, ease up.
How about our Commander Bright? Well done. He's right here.
Dying, the vampires may be too. They'll destroy us to get that last fruit.
Can you guess? You're on fire. Mrs. Eldris is here.
Do the same. Victor, show them who rules the mountain.
All right, let's see how well you know about Zombies 4. What's the name of the rare food both groups are fighting over? You got it. It's the blood fruit. Next challenge. Can you pass?
If you wanna go, it's going down. Hey, come on in.
Boom! You're not backing down? Love it. Any idea? Awesome! Here it is.
The real win lies and the lives are changing, cause it's in the hearts.
Next up, find the real Addison. Yep, she's right there.
Between the lines, you realize it's so much.
How about this?
With the day walk.
Give the vampire.
Nice catch, my friend. It's the place to be by Daywalkers and Vampires.
With the day walkers, we got the power of the sun here. It's
All right, before whopping, can you rate the movie?
Yes!
Hey, step right up. If you wanna go, it's
Do you have your answer? Comment below and let's see the result. Awesome job, Zombie Master. How many did you guess, right? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like and sub for more quiz fun. See you in the next mind-bending challenge. Bye.